Okay, here's a little different classic than we're used to it, unique especially in classics. From time to time, we'll do some classic motorcycles, maybe boats. That's what we have here. This one's a 1950 Globe Mastercraft that has been restored. We're going to get into that in just a little bit. First of all, production numbers on these. Believed to be in the 200 range somewhere. There is no exact number that I've come across. You read anywhere from 200 to 270. They're actually built in Williams Bay, Wisconsin, on Lake Geneva. This particular one, as far as the restoration work, there's approximately only 25 hours on it since it was restored. And it was restored at Sunrise River Boat Works in Stacy, Minnesota. The licensing up here, as well as the Globe Mastercraft, actually hand painted. The mahogany was redone, as you can see. Varnish, all done after the restoration. See seating areas, the vinyl reupholstered. Now, how many of these are left? That is an unknown exact number also. There's kind of what's been kicked around is, I believe, somewhere in the 50s, approximately. So pretty rare boat. You want to have some fun at the classic boat shows, or this would be just a fun one to take out on the lake itself and just take it for a spin, a little sunset cruise, that type of thing. Now, if you want to take your time looking at the still pictures, we have plenty of still pictures of this boat online at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. How cool is that? Again, a Globe Mastercraft built in Wisconsin that has been restored. Again, approximately 25 hours on it since the restoration. Has a newer Shorelander trailer. Less than 500 miles on that. Just taking boats back and forth to the landing, it sounds like. Rear seating compartment. Now, as far as the power plant in this, of course, it's a center mounted engine. Power plant is an inline 4-cylinder, 45 horse, gray marine. Let's see if I can get this open one-handed. There we go. So there's your power plant. Still a 6-volt system. A gray marine. It's the actual engine number. And we're going to fire it up too. I'm going to let it run just real quick so you can hear it run. I don't have ears obviously hooked up with water or anything like that, so I'm just going to fire it up, show you that it runs. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And as far as shipping, we do assist with shipping. Now, sometimes it gets a little bit different with a boat on a trailer, but you can sure consult with the sales associate when you call in. Kind of a navy blue upholstery. Is vinyl. Rubber flooring or rubber padding, I guess, over the flooring. Some mahogany plywood that all been redone with. I believe that was over white oak, how they were originally built. It's in Williams Bay. There's going to be 2 covers included with this, kind of a dust cover, just a cover if it sits in your shop or garage or what have you. And then there's more of a weather cover that can go outside in the weather. Something that's kind of cool, Rainer steering wheel. You can still see the insignia right here. Of course, this is going to be throttle. This would be for your drive. And then choke up on the dash through there. Very simple dash. You're going to see a close-up of the plaque in with the still pictures also. Something that was kind of ahead of its time is this windshield. I mean, you consider this is 1950, designed probably from 47 to 49. It's actually a convex shear line wraparound windshield is what they considered it, with some integrated hardware and the bright work on this. Boat looks very nice, as you can see. And an easy one to handle, getting on and off the trailer. And just taking it out and having some fun. Like I said, a little sunset cruise. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up the camera on the tripod so I can go ahead and start this, let you hear it run. And again, it's just gonna be quick. I'm gonna show you that it runs. And then we'll wrap up this video. Unfortunately, we can't take this one for a drive. We don't have a lake anywhere real close. So let me go ahead and fire this up, let you hear it run at least, and we'll wrap up this video. So you can see it starts easily, very simple, and actually the engine was gone through, has less than 10 hours on it since it was all gone through. Didn't really get into the drive on it as far as the rudder back here. There's your exhaust exit and prop. $1950 Globe Mastercraft, one of very few left and one of very few produced for that matter. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, you can sure consult with your sales associate.